everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make bookmark with minion character using quilling art. So let's see what we require to make this beautiful bookmark. So we will need a 3mm paper strip. So we will need 5 different colors. So blue, yellow, gray, white and brown. Instead of brown, you can use black color if you like. A paper quilling needle, small scissor, precision craft glue, card paper for making base of bookmark. I have used 4 cm by 20 cm card paper. Let's see how we make this minion. First we will make this face part using yellow paper strip and blue color for making lower body of minion, and brown color we will use for making the legs, and combination of gray, white and brown color for making the eyes. So let's start. First we will take yellow paper strip of 42 cm length. Insert the paper strip in paper quilling needle slot and roll it up with some even pressure. Now slowly release the pressure on coil and make the diameter of coil approximately 2 cm. Secure the end with glue. Similarly, take a blue color paper strip of 42 cm length and roll it up. Release the pressure slowly and make again diameter of this coil also 2 cm, approximately 2 cm. Secure the end with glue. Now we will shape this coil to make this shape moon shape. So we can shape it with the help of this tool. So we will just slowly curl like this and the shape is ready. Part together with glue. Now enclose 2 parts with another yellow strip. Make 2-3 rounds. Secure end with glue. For making leg part, take 10 cm brown paper strip. Roll it up. Now release the pressure and make the coil approximately 1 cm in diameter. Secure the end. Now give eye shape to the coil. Similarly make another leg. To make eye part of minion, we will glue gray, white and brown strip together and make a tight coil. I have taken this brown strip of 6 cm and white strip 8 centimeter. And grey strip with 8 centimeter length and glue together. So we want brown part inside and the grey part of the eyes outside. So we will insert the brown side in the quilling needle and roll it up. We will make a tight coil by giving some extra pressure while rolling it up. Secure the end. Similarly, make another eye and minion eyes will be ready. Take a small brown strip and paste it like this. Glue these eyes. Glue the legs. So your minion is ready now. Paste it on bookmark base. Now your bookmark is ready.